Hi guys, our project is estimate of the crop yield using a data analytics, and myself I'm Rahul and my team members are
I'm Tommy Chelvan.
Yes Sukumaran.
Myself Monraj.
Myself English.
Our project estimate the crop yield using a data analytics. When we have a click that access resource means we can get that details of our project, what are the things and what are the needs to be implemented in that project we have using in that. And when we click go to workshop means in that we have a project overflow of our project, and we have a working data set, and what type of the data set, what are the content in that like that, and what are the things to be visualized like that we have in that chat. And when we have clicked on one of that link means we can get what type of the graph to be visualized in that Cognos, and we have to create a dashboard. And next we have an like different types of an dashboard to be implemented, like a stories report and something all of that. And we have an visualization based upon that we have db2 connections to upload in that db2 connections. We can get that information, what type of the data in that. And we have clicked that project means we have a collection of an index page and visualization page, dashboard and all like that. And we have an about us page. Our team guide is Mr. R. Palnikmar sir, and we have a team members, and we have an visualization based upon our conditions, like season with average production. When we have clicked that season with average productions means we can get some load of that IBM DB2 connection with a server, and we can have to wait for sometimes, because we can load the data from that DB2 connections. Once we can get this page means we can get that visualization of that season with average productions, and based upon that season with the full time of an production of our India. This is our visualization based upon the season with average production. We can have an analyze and we can have an overview of that. Next we have an another condition with year usage of an area and production. This also have a time to get that visualization. We have to wait for sometimes. And we have get this usage of area and production means we can have we can get that visualization based upon that with the year and area, like sum of that area in y-axis, and x-axis we can have an area. And next we have an top 10 state with most area. In that we can have an map visualization with we can have an state. Based upon that state we can get that properties to maintain that top 10 in that visualization. This is our top 10 state within most area visualization. Next we can have an state with crop production, and state with crop production along with the season, like all that visualization we can describe in that. This is our state with crop production. We have to wait for that because it loaded from the IBM DB2. This is based upon that state wise what are the types of crops that can be yielded, and what are the types to be. We can click in that banana means we can what are the state all crop that banana, like that it will be displayed. Next we can have a dashboard, which is a dashboard means we can consist of an all that visualization into the single pages to maintain that visualization. Once we loaded means we can get that visualization, all the visualization into the single page. We can easily rectify that visualization. We can easily analyze that visualization based upon that condition of the users. Next we can have an story and report. Story means we can have an small animation video based upon that dashboard visualization. Once we load on means it can have multiples of decorations, and with multiples of slide it can be runs up to end like that. We can have that. This is our story visualization. Once we play, it means it will continuously play on until the screen to get ended like that. Once we get an slide, next scene means we can getting a load up and we can have an multiples of an visualization. Next we can have an report. Report means generally final project of that visualization. All the type of an visualization can be get into one single pages based upon that 2 by 2 cross like that. We can have multiples of an pages. Once we loaded the report means we can getting that report finally. Once we get an report finally means they can show that data from that server DB to. Once we get that means like that only, and next we have a data set module. In that we can get a data set, and next how to we can load that data set into the DB2 means once we get an go to UI means we can have an schema of our DB2, and next we have an load module, and this load module means we can get an table to what are the tables we can create it like that. Crop one means our table name. Next we can have an multiples upon column and rows. We can view the table means we can get that all the information of our data set like state name, district, and etc. And we can have an SQL query. Based upon SQL query, we can have performing some of the actions to get and details about that SQL command. We can get that information from the table. In that we can have a table crop one. Based upon a crop one, we can get we can use that query, and next finally we can have an IBM project visualization. Thank you.